Alright, it is time for another beach adventure from Trakai, and this time on the island where the Trakai Island Castle is located. So there is not an official beach, but there are several spots here around the island where you can go in for a swim, like this one over here. And yes, there's the castle that you can see, and it's quite a interesting, quite hot sunny day actually, for to be 22nd of September. Currently it is 17 degrees Celsius, but under the sun it feels a lot warmer than that. And I already took a swim earlier today when it was 20 degrees in the water. Now we're gonna see if here also it is the same temperature. It is the same lake, so I will be very surprised if the temperature is different. It might be even warmer now later during the day, but yeah, even warmer, 21 degrees Celsius in the 21 degrees Celsius in the lake Galvė. That is this one over here. So beach adventures with Chris continue as expected, and this is it the third? Yes, the third in Trakai today only. And I'm gonna visit one more lake later. That's around 2.5 kilometers away from here, so we're gonna check that out as well. So I have obviously went in the castle and explored. The ticket was 10 euros. After I have visited it, I don't think it's worth it. I mean, it's nice if you're into history and sightseeing, but otherwise you can just spend your money in a different way. At least it's good to visit it once, like I'm doing it right now. So the lake is quite nice, and I am obviously taking another swim when it is such a beautiful lake, and especially when it's on this island, this Trakai Castle Island. And yeah, this is my beach spot. Not an official beach obviously, but you know that I can swim in anything as long as it has water. The water is clean here. When I was passing by, there was one beach that it says that it's 3 out of 3 stars, so the lake is clean and super fine to take a swim in for sure. And yes, then let's get going and take a swim here in Trakai, in one of the most exciting spots of Trakai, which is the Castle Island, and the island where the main castle is. So there are actually two castles like this. One is called Island and one is the Peninsula. The Peninsula one that I passed by earlier today, it was under construction, so it was closed. So this is the only one currently on this 22nd of September 2024 that was opened. And what a wonderful sunny Sunday. I wouldn't have chosen a better way. Yesterday I was exploring everything in Vilnius there is, and also I have swim 3 or 4 times in the river Neris on various locations obviously. So yesterday it was quite an eventful day, which I ended up with having a very nice dinner. I had cold beetroot soup as an appetizer, very good soup, and then I had the traditional Lithuanian dish cepelinai for a main dish, which is basically potatoes, baked potatoes wrapped around, well, wrapped and inside with some minced meat or ground beef, I'm not sure, but it was very nice, served with sour cream. So everything they serve here in Lithuania is with sour cream. They really love the sour cream for sure. So yes, then let's get going with another swim here in Trakai. So let's go. Amazing indeed. gets deep very fast here, and there are many roads passing by here as well around this castle island. So yes, amazing. I have now 2.5 hours left from my adventure in Trakai until I get the train back to Vilnius, and then chilling a bit sometime there until I have my flight back to Stockholm at 7 p.m. So quite a short visit this time. I am less than 48 hours it seems, but it's quite dynamic and I have visited so many things, so I cannot complain. So it's magic. Okay, now I have swum 3 times in this lake Galvė. Now it's time for me to take tour to another lake where there is also a nudist beach. So let's see how is it. And yeah, that's a wrap from Trakai, the island, the castle island here in Trakai. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.